tomorrow is Christmas. So.
Okay.
Give me money so I'll go to the market and buy things for my children.
It's Jesus Christ's birthday. It's not your birthday. And moreover, you want me to give you my money so that you go and embezzle them, Abi?
Me embezzle money?
I will do the buying by myself.
I don't understand.
Okay, don't worry. Watch me do this. Where are they? Otumu. Omwemu. Ozigbo. Very good. Betesh. Sukuduluku. Apina.
But they are playing. Now you leave them alone.
Apinaski. Say that place very good. Iguana. Betesh. Where is the last one? Modion. Modion, Jordan. Do you know what? Say surprise. Very good. Yeah.
Broom. What are you doing with a broom?
I'll use it to flog you. Let me take measurement of their leg.
See, I am their mother. I know their various shoe sizes.
You know nothing.
I don't know anything. But if it's inside the room now, I know everything, right?
That's the only place you are active.
Don't worry.
I love you.
Don't worry.
Bring your leg, don't mind mother. Bring your leg. Next. 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 Go. As you receive, you go. You just take. Don't worry, you know your leg is very big. I have a surprise for you. One of my old shoes, I will give you.
Got a biggie man, who don't know I call her small boy.
Every Jersey,
Don't know I call her small boy.
Eze Empire Kasi.
Treasure producer.
I thank God say God no be man no be God. If no be God, where I for day today. This not the reason me I go. Shakiti Bobo, Wolego, Saku, Koko, Akube, Akodanso, Akaida. Make we thank God say God no be man no be God. If no be God, where we for day today. This not the reason where we go. Shakiti Bobo, Wolego, Saku, Koko, Akube, Akodanso, Akaida. Every day and night yo, many sinners sin yo, but God still keep me clean yo. Cover me with your blood oh, that's why you be God oh. Favor me like Dangote before you see my Dangote. This year I go buy my Ferrari.
Hello. Where are you? Yeah, I'm here already.
I'm happy to see you.
Yeah, nice to finally see you.
Oh, very good. We're supposed to engage ourselves with.
But, excuse me. Take it easy now.
Is it the food?
Don't you know you're in public?
My friend, I used my money to pay for this thing. Let me enjoy myself.
I'm not saying you should come or something. You take it easy now. Are you not eating again?
I'm eating now.
Why did you drop your spoon?
I want to surprise you.
Do you want to disgrace me?
Let them look.
I've lost appetite.
I find my appetite. Don't worry, no problem. I cannot let something to waste my attention. How will you lose appetite? They don't lose appetite to this type of situation. Baby. I really enjoy the food and everything. If not the one that we have to eat inside. Which side should we take? This side or this side?
You and me.
Me and you, of course.
This is the reason why I hate online dating. You're so disgusting.
Scope it.
I'm out of here.
Look at this one. Girls of nowadays, that's how they will be from you. Go to their house now, you see them eating bucket of eba. Nonsense.